With Ateneo maintain their momentum from set number 2.
Pero actually, dito sa set number 3, no? Just 2 more attack points for Ateneo, 10 to 8. Block points, nung bumawi Ateneo, 3 to 2.
Okay.
Diba? Kasi kanina, no block points for Ateneo. And ito rin, this is one of the biggest factors there. Yung service aces sa Ateneo, they had 4 in that set. And Lasal having 2 also. But Lasal, once again, having more errors, 8 to 4.
All of the service aces of Ateneo came in that set.
Oo, dalawa lang sila. 0 sila ng first 2 sets.
Now, Lasal with a 2-1 lead. Demesilio serving. Morado sends it to the other side. Makandili sets it up for D. That is in.
Kimby getting that point. Look at her go. Bigyan ka ng konting
Angulo, oh. Maraming bagay lang. Boog Gonzalez, Mozi Novena, Laura Lehman, Janine Choi for ABS-CBN Sports. And it's Ateneo Lasal round number 2. Ateneo looking to avoid a sweep in the elimination against their arch rivals, something that hasn't happened since season 75.
Oh, great dive by Makandili.
And Lasal gets that point.
That's right. Credit half that point to Don Makandili for saving that first ball. Kasi they able to save that first ball. That's why they were still, the Suns still able to run their play.
Incredible libero for Lasal.
Oh, and
Somebody touched it. Now we called on Baron, I think. So the point goes to Ateneo. Lead is down to 2. Coach Istay and Coach Ramil have used Gaston and Tiamzon respectively. Hut sends it to the other side for a free ball. Chance ball, taken advantage by Baron as she puts that one away.
once again, Joy Baron. Another solid hit.
Look at that, patong na patong sa bola.
Hindi na pwedeng isang longer lang for Majoy. So, right side, left side. Oh, but low serve.
That is their 13th service error of the match. Ateneo has 3 so far.
It's a department where si Coach Ramil is really, risking it. Parang, kasi doon nga nila tinalo yung Ateneo in the first match. So, tama naman.
Why not? Why not, diba? That's in! Wow, what a spot for Pinawal, Mozi, kanina panayampagkit natin sa kanya.
And again, going cross-court this time, the long room, getting the corner.
That is tough to do.
Yeah.
That is a skill. Ateneo, remained by 3. But this from the back line.
Oh, and that's why.
Let's go to Laura Lehman real quick.
Boomer Nosy, this game is neck and neck, but one of the best and biggest differences for the Lady Eagles today is their floor defense. The receiving patterns and rotations are working better than usual, but more importantly than that, they are really committing themselves to the ball. If there's a ball running off course, then they are diving for it. Now this may also be because the girls feel relieved of a lot of pressure. They don't have a winning streak to look out for, and having lost the last Ateneo Lasal game, they're also somewhat of the underdogs. But whatever the case, they are happy, they're in control, and hopefully it just lasts them.
And they're looking for their 6th straight win and looking to defeat Lasal for the first time in the second round. Lasal has not lost in the second round. And Ateneo wants to be the one to do that. And yes, their receiving has improved from game number 1, but there's still a little bit of problems every now and then. And right now, Coach Ramil is living at the sideline for something. And they lose this point. I don't know what he's mad at, if it's to his player or sa referee ba. He's looking at the official, so it looks like.
Yep. Ano ba yun? Non-call? That was safe? That's
I
good.
don't know if it was that.
Oh.
Naaga pa kanina sa rally. I'm getting frustrated, like looking at referee number 1, first referee, Jeff Lopez. Alright, let's go to Janine Choi real quick.
Boomer Nosy for Coach Ramil committing errors is tolerable and acceptable for as long as they know the mistakes that they have committed. It's also important that they always be alert so that they can anticipate how else they can contribute to the team. Earlier, Coach told the girls that they all know the responsibility and role. That is why they should commit to doing it right. Coming into the set, Coach challenged the girls to step up and show how they play BLS volleyball. That's all for now from this outside.
Thank you very much, Janine. Your team is still ahead by 1, 7-6. Make that 2, 8-6. 2-point lead for the Lady Spikers. Let's look at this last play, Amy Ahumiro. First the block,
Napawian
and
din.
then
Oh.
the block back. That's what I wanted to say.
And this is why I like watching a game between these two teams.
Two high caliber teams.
Oo eh.
Palitan lang.
Palitan at
Palitan
saka
din meron.
ganun din.
8-6 is now 8-7 rather, because of that service error, which is their 14th of the match. That might tell at the end.
Pag ganito naman talagang level ng game, yung mga errors na yan, yung effect niya iba eh. It's different. You will really feel it.
Free ball, chance ball. Makadili, inihatid kay Fajardo. At kaya naman, ang ganda ng setup. The piston play, Reyes and Demicilio finishing it off.
That's right. And Demicilio getting the tail end of this play. Nabasa naman sana natin eh. Pero Amy was a bit away from the net.
9-7. Asal down a set.
Nice serve.
Tan. Binawi. Almost the same play.
And ang ganda ng cut shot ni Maraguon. I mean, going for that differential play. Hindi basta-basta lang placement hit. Look at her go for that shot.
And again, she was going left. The angle was going right. Parang yun with 12 points here.
Ano sa basketball? No, look pass pa yun.
Parang
Yun ba yun?
Oh.
Oh, Demicilio once again. Getting it through the blocker. Single block from Ateneo.
Demicilio, all these years, she now scores 10 points. You followed her career, Posey. She's graduating. All these years, she's always been, behind superstars.
Yes.
But she's always been
Just
solid.
there, yeah.
Solid.
Oo, steady lang. That's why I think you trust sa kanya ni Coach Ramiro. And you can feel it. Minsan nga kahit siguro hindi siya 100%, but you si Coach Ramiro will fill her in. Ganun yung kataas yung trust din sa kanya.
17 puntos para sa kapitana ng Ateneo. 70 points for Eliza Valdez. And you like players like that, ano? Every team needs a player like that,
Oh,
Posey.
free ball now, given to Lasal.
Maron, check by De Leon. Pagkakataon para sa Ateneo. De Leon bumawi.
And ay, alam ko na, medyo in my head, napupunta sila for a quick play.
From a block, ha?
Yes, pero tinumba ng konti. Kumbaga nilagyan konti ng distansya to avoid the blockers on the other side ni Gia Morano. That's why.
Because she was coming off a block.
Yes, correct. Na nandun pa yung blockers din ng Lasal. Oo.
9 points para kay De Leon. Demicilio. This time, no, too low. Mahirap yung ganun, ano? Very, very tough.
And sayang din because walang blockers dun sa kabila.
Finals MVP. On deck. Serving. Amy Ahumiro. Back row.
Oh, and there you go. Gala.
We are...
That back row attack.
Mosi, I am in awe with the individual display by the players here. De Leon, Valdez, Galang, Baron, Makandili.
And also on the other side, ganun din. It's a
Pareho nga
total
eh.
team
Yun nga,
effort
oo.
rin. Oh, actually, itong naglalaban ngayon, you don't have individual players that are really, although syempre may mga high scores, no? Pero you can feel that it's a complete team effort from both squads.
That's why I mentioned many names eh, kasi from both teams.
Kasi normally tayo, minsan may
Tulog-tulog.
1 or 2 players na nagsa-stand out. Pero ngayon,
Kaya nga sabi natin, Makandili has done her job.
yeah,
Si Saldanas,
really try her
Try,
best
oo.
to get those first balls.
13-11 for Lasal. The aforementioned Demicilio.
Oh, what a save from Morano.
Galang in the middle. De Leon was there. D. Oh, and Maraguon was
Well,
beaten to the spot.
Again, this happened because napabayaan na yung block nila. And no blocker for Kim D.
9 points for Kim D. More importantly for them, it's a 3-point lead.
Remember,
Okay, okay. Let's get one, ha? Try tayo sa receipt, ha? Okay, listen. Paano ako,
Coach Oliver and Abby, marami po. Attendance here from both schools.
Blue and green.
Blue and green. 14-11 is the score. Time out by Ateneo. Valdez puts that one away.
Valdez just nailing that one in.
She unleashed the bomb with that one, didn't she? Look at this perfect setup for her. And again, nakuha ni
Oo,
Leon.
may blocker na nakuha si Deo.
Valdez na naman. That's down the line and it's out.
Oh, risking it too much. Tumiktik na rin din si Demesilio. As you see, the defense of Demesilio really closer to the line. Kaya alam na niya eh. Alam niya kung labas yung bola.
15-12. Baron. What a serve.
Halos hinapon lang talaga ni Baron yung pagkakamitaw ni naman yan. Menlo once again.
Oh, parang alam niya na miss-hit, ano, kahit si Coach Ramil. But good enough for a point.
Yeah.
16-12 is the score. Back inside the Mall of Asia Arena, round 2. The rematch of LaSalle versus Ateneo is happening. Coach Ramil, the Bulaqueño, 18 years at the helm.
Tagal na din, ano?
Kanyang partner in crime, si Coach Noel. Ang cool niya, matagal na rin.
Oo.
Tagal na magkasama.
Partnership.
Ajoy with a 4-point lead. Chance ball para sa LaSalle. Gala.
Oh, Galang. Avoiding the blockers, but too much angle on that. Pero kanina niya pa kasi ginagawa yun eh. And it has been working for her. Those short hits.
This receive. Chance ball for Ateneo. Egeliana, sent back. Morado, sa kabila naman. Sa likod niya.
And Bea De Leon once again. Through the blockers, challenging the blockers of LaSalle and getting it to go.
Trying to hang on here and stay within slipstream of LaSalle. 14 serving 16. Make that 17.
That's into the net. Ayun yung mga errors again, no? Mentioned that a while ago na yung mga masasakit lalo yung service errors. Freebie. Sobrang libre.
Maraginot.
Oh, and Maragino against real estate on that one.
Like I said, the angles that Galang and Maraginot and Valdez
Silang dalawa,
are
yeah.
working with just these players.
Kala mo lalabas ni. Aba?
And it takes not only skill, but also the confidence to attempt even, no? Galang naman, sasagot!
Galang is wala masyadong angulo, but
May power.
very powerful hit from Ana Galang. LaSalle obviously wants to pull away at this point. I was gonna say that, but Ana Galang keeping a point to Ateneo. Juliana also played so well in this match.
Free ball. Mahumiro. Easy over dito para sa LaSalle. Demesilio. Egiliano diving. Maraginot na naman. Makandili. Keeps it in play. Galang.
Oh, what a save.
Chance ball for Ateneo. What will Gia do? She picks Ahumiro.
Again, going for a quick hit.
That's the play there. That's just the sensible thing to do while the other team is scrambling. And Egiliano with that save. Makandili with her version. Gano'n kaya kadalas magpamasahe? Yung mga libre, lalo na sila Makandili.
Banig na pain reliever boom.
Barig-barig pa.
And Maragino, again, going for an angle, but Makandili there to get that one.
Si Demesilio pero nakailalim. Tabla na tayo. Gosi. The lead was at 4 at 1 point. Coach Ramil looking at the timeout button. And and asking Coach Noel to press it. So let's eavesdrop. Dino Lareno, Jojo Estacio Neri,
Nice to see you, Ma'am Jojo.
Jojo Neri Estacio.
Nice to see you here.
All from ABS-CBN Sports and of course, Sports in Action HD.
Ano ba na si Sir Dino? Galing mag-serve niya.
Also, volleyball player naman.
Galing mag-serve niya.
Miss Jojo Estacio naman. Huge volleyball fan.
Oh, yeah.
Watching both men's and women's. In the meantime, balik tayo sa women's at balik ang kalaban sa Lasal, 19, serving 18.
That was a well-placed ball from Cindy Mesillo. Look at their goal. Sa gitna, no, ng two defenders sa Ateneo.
Mesillo, double figures, 11 points. A lot of girls, different girls scoring in bunches for both teams.
Si Sid kasi she's your silent operator.
Valdez scoring that one. Napag-usapan natin siya before we talked about her how it's easy to underestimate.
Yeah.
Girls like Cindy Mesillo. Hindi
Pero
mo
pag hindi ka
napapansin.
may numero, every game,
Hindi mo napapansin ito. Kasi Valdez, pag sinapansin mo, 19 points na. Ay!
parang throwing that away.
20 for Lasal, 19 for Ateneo. They're gonna go. Fajardo serving. Crucial error.
Yeah, returning the favor to Ateneo.
Back to back.
But a full front line for De La Salle.
16th service error for Lasal. Sabi ko nga, Mozi, balikan natin yung numero na yun mamaya. Valdez.
Oh, but that was well read. Baron.
What a wall.
Yeah, and that was Dean Baron in front of Valdez. Yung mahirap nga talaga.
Baron with 15 points.
Wow.
That one off the block. Oh,
And Sid Mesillo once again getting an ace.
it gives him a 2-point lead.
More importantly,
20 points for Sid Mesillo, and LaSalle looking to extend this to a set number 5. Mesillo with her 12th point and a service ace. Valdez unable to handle it.
right, reception error there by Valdez.
Time. Again, faulty reception here, which gives us opportunity for LaSalle. Galang. Sid was there. Fajardo. Back to D.
Oh, Dean with the hand of the net. Gets that point. La Salle now up by 3.
Okay siya, double figures na. Mozi Kimdi with 11 points.
Yan na nga, it's a really team effort for both teams.
But more importantly, 2 points away from tying the set. Valdez in the middle. And Kim Fajardo's reaction is priceless. Parang hindi niya nakita dumaan yung bola.
Anong nangyari?
And Pauline Gaston is back. Let's look at this replay. Look at Fajardo. And then she comes up with a smile and said,
Kita ba?
Dumanda pala. Pero sila lamang ha. 23-21, Gaston is back in this match. Asal with a 2-point lead. Galang bumalik.
And Galang getting it through.
And gives themselves a set point here. She goes against Gaston in this one.
That's right.
Pero,
Kasi Javier de Leon.
This is compelling TV as usual. Must-see volleyball continues in UAP Season 78. And there you go. speed advantage. Go at it toe-to-toe.
Right, perfect timing right there. Getting set point.
And we will see an extension. We will see what everybody wants to see. More volleyball. Set number 5 is happening here on ABS.